Hello, my name is Marcel, and this is my Halloween ghost soap making video. So I was not really going to make a Halloween themed soap, but then I tried to make a soap with Day of the Dead theme, but it was a lot more complicated than I thought. So I made the ghost pattern soap with lots of different ghosts on the top of the orange background. I have been making soaps that have various shapes rather than classic rectangular ones for a while. So I thought it would be nice to make a soap in that basic shape. I separated some oils for the coloring. I added sodium lactate before mixing the lye water with the oil. I've been using this since the last soap. Last time it really helped me unmold the soap faster and easier. I added the fragrance oil called Awaken from Nurture Soap. It has a very good lemon scent, so if you like lemon citrusy smell, I really recommend checking out this fragrance oil. These colors will be for the ghosts. So as you see, I attempt to design my first ghost soap. It was good. I think the faces of the ghosts were all different and I really liked it. And the other people also liked the design very much. But then I thought that there was a lack of details. So I decided to create another batch for the ghosts, but this time I designed with very fine lines. I basically piped the faces and the outlines of the ghosts with the very fine lines so they will look more clear. It was definitely a challenge, although I have made some soaps with soap piping, but this time I had to pay a lot of attention to the details. And I had to glue the ghosts on the top of the soap because both of them are already all dry. I think it might be better if I put the ghosts on the top while the surface of the base soap was not firmed. Here is the cutting part. I've just got a new soap cutter. I invested in a good soap cutter and I was really excited, so I even forgot to show the details of the soaps right after cutting them. And here are the soaps. Honestly, I think my first design might be better, but I still like the results. And I guess I will make some soaps like this next time. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Do something for yourself. Do what makes you happy. I'll see you next time. Bye.